Hello video editors. In this video, we'll take a look at Transition Placer, an extension for Premiere Pro that automatically applies transitions at cut points aligned with markers, full screens them, and uses your preferred blending mode. Let's start with the first row. Here, you specify the location of your transition or transitions folder. Simply select it in the project panel and click the folder icon. The path should then appear in the input box. Here, you can choose the range of clips where transitions will be applied, either to selected clips, clips within in and out points, or the entire video track. Next is the blending mode section. I've added a few common options here, but if you think more are needed, feel free to reach out. Below that are 3 input boxes for track configuration. The first one is for the track where your main footage is located, the one you want to apply the transition to. The next 2 boxes define where the video and audio parts of the transition should be placed. If the range is set to selected, the source track input will be ignored since you're manually selecting the clips. You can also choose to ignore the track configuration entirely by checking the Ignore Track Settings box. In that case, the transition will be added to the first available track. If your range is set to In, Out, or All, you'll need to specify the main footage track and where exactly the video and audio parts of the transition should be inserted. To avoid overwriting other clips, Transition Placer first checks for space on the target track. If there isn't enough room, it will automatically move the transition to a higher track. Now let's take a look at the remaining checkboxes. Random will make Transition Placer randomly pick a transition from the folder instead of going in order. Each cut will add transitions between clips from the same source file. No audio removes the audio portion of the transition if present. And last but not least, click Add Transitions. That's everything you need to know about Transition Placer for Premiere Pro. You can get it now at aescripts.com.